everyone, it's Hanny again with another journal I made. I don't know if you watched my previous video or 2 videos back, I think, where I did a flip through of my ducky journal. Well, this is my butterfly journal. It's almost the same, but the embellishments and ephemera is a bit different, and the journal is a bit different. So I do a little flip through. It's another 13.5 by 21 centimeter journal, or 5.25 by 8.25 inch journal, with all kinds of paper in it, 4 signatures of 7 sheets. Each is 112 pages. They have metal book corners again, with a metal closure with sort of ribbon, this stuff, and then I tore some trim, I think. Yes, tore some trim. I hope I say that correct. Well, this is a journal with an inside paper I marbled myself. Book pages again, doilies, handmade paper, tea dyed, coffee dyed paper. Oh yeah, grit paper, transparent or translucent wallpaper, ledger paper, another handmade paper, book papers, very old book papers, writing paper, and here is another one. All kinds of papers. And again, you can pull them out, the papers, and use them and put in your own papers. It's a twine binding, loose twine binding. Very simple. Didn't do anything in it, so it's a plain journal like this, just like this, and the back. It's fabric on a cardboard with fabric on it, and these are the embellishments and ephemera. A belly band, here is a tag, a woven pocket, specimen card, another tag, I think this is pocket, yeah, it's pocket, a little journaling card, another little journaling card, or just stick somewhere in. This is a pocket or a journaling card, whatever you want. Journaling card. Here is a journaling card. This is a double pocket with little tags in it, or journaling cards in it. Little envelope with a closure. An altered playing card. Another envelope with a card in it. A little booklet. Another tag. A page corner. And here is some ephemera cards, tickets, little photo, another photo, a folks ticket, cards, and a Sarah K card, little cards, a Coca-Cola card, and a Walt Disney, plain tags, another photo, little photo, something, well, don't know how you call that, embellishment, bingo card, sort of sticker, it's not sticker, but another photo, crochet buttons, and 3 embellished circles to embellish your journal with, or a card or whatever. So that's it. The journal is in my Etsy shop, and I hope you like it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye.